Okay, now the next topic is about non-uniform motion. In uniform motion, we have learned equal distances traveled in equal interval of time. Now, in non-uniform motion, equal distance traveled in unequal interval of time or unequal distance traveled in equal interval of time. That means any one, whether it is distance or time, one thing will be unequal and one will be equal. Any time will be equal or time will be unequal. When time is equal, distance will be unequal. When time is unequal, distance will be equal. So what is non-uniform motion? Equal distances traveled in unequal interval of time or unequal distance traveled in equal interval of time. It is said to be non-uniform motion. Now here also we have taken equal time. See 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Now distances traveled for 0, 0. In 5 minutes it covers 10 kilometer. In 10 minutes, now 10 to 15, that means 5. So in 10 minutes, 5 kilometer. Now in 15 minutes, 15 to 20. That means again 5 kilometer. But now next 5 minutes, 15 to 20. It covers 20, then 30. If it is equal, then it should come 20, 25. But here it is coming 30. 20 के बाद सीधे क्या आ गया? 30. That means how much distance it covered? 10 kilometer. Here 10, 15, 20, then 30. That means 10 kilometer. And then 35. That means this is unequal. Unequal distance traveled. In every 5 minutes, it is not covering the same distance. Somewhere it covers 5 kilometer, somewhere it covers 10 kilometer. So when it is unequal, that is called non-uniform motion. Now see the graph, how to plot a graph. Same way we have to, here you can see, same way we have done like in uniform motion, time on x-axis and distance on y-axis, 5, 10, 15, 20. We have taken that each block, that means 1 unit is equal to 5 minutes. The scale we are taking in graph, and this is for x-axis. For y-axis, 1 unit is equal to 10 kilometer. One block को हमने कितना माना? 10 kilometer. Now plot this graph while seeing this table which we have made. See, for 0 it is 0 only. Now for 5 minutes 10 kilometer. So same way 5 minutes 10 kilometer. Then 10, then 20. That is for 10 minutes 15. So 15 comes in between 10 to 20. So it will come here. Then for 15 minutes 20. 15 minutes 20 it comes. For 20 minutes 30. So 20 minutes it is 30. 25, 35. So 25, 35 means in between 30 to 40. Here it will come 35. So you join this. Now here you have seen that it is not coming equally. You cannot join this line with the help of scale. Here you have to join all the points with free hand. So now join all the points freely and you will see, you will find it is not coming straight. And if it is not coming straight, that means we will say that it is curve line graph. कैसा graph मिलेगा यहाँ पर? Curve line graph. Curve line graph. So in non-uniform motion we are getting curve line graph, and in uniform motion we are getting straight line graph. So this is all about non-uniform motion. So here that chapter is over. Next time we are going to discuss about question answers.